Hello everyone, thank you for watching Mazhar Art of Review. Today I'm going to give a review on an interesting and wonderful product, and it is Traffic Beast. But before going into Traffic Beast, let me ask you some interesting questions. Are you struggling for traffic just like 99% of other online marketers? Then it can make all the difference to your results online, especially if you're new and struggling. But why traffic is the number one biggest issue for people? Well, most methods are too much complicated and time consuming. Maybe most sources are highly competitive, or you already have so many competitors over online digital marketing, or most gurus who has teached you don't use the same traffic methods they teach. And even after this, you have worked so much hard and tried to get some traffic, and it's sudden some platform update itself and a loophole that you are following is closes, and you have got to start all over from scratch. It's enough to make you wonder, how do I get out this hamster wheel and start making money? You already know it takes more than just traffic to make money, and that's a big problem here. For these reasons, most traffic softwares advertise as beginner friendly, but they're not. Don't trust them. And to resolve all these issues, Glenn has come up with one wonderful solution, and it is Traffic Beast. As I said, Traffic Beast is like one brand new first to market app and system for 2021. In the next 60 seconds, 100% done for you super affiliate system with free buyer traffic from 800 million visitors. The thing is that the bonus page is going to expire within 5 days. So let me explain, but what is this Traffic Beast all about? Like I said, it's a 200 plus traffic sources from one single platform. The software creates automated money links, and it blasts your link to all traffic sources at the same time. It generates commission from multiple high converting offers, pre-approved for everything. You don't need to wait for anything. It's 100% done for you traffic and plus commission system, completely beginner friendly. You don't need to worry about that you are it's for experienced people. No, it's completely free, beginner friendly. You don't need to have any kind of background, any kind of technical knowledge. You can do from the scratch, and it's a zero maintenance cost. There are no hidden cost. It has all proven results. The founder Glenn is already earning every day more than $1,000 with this system, and they generate sales on demand, and they have world class training included. The price included early bird is $17, and after the launch it is going to increase for every hour. So I really suggest to go ahead and take this. The reason why I'm saying is it has 180 days money back guarantee. So just take it. If you don't like it, you can give it back. But I suggest take it. Then it has the front end is Traffic Beast $17. It accesses the powerful Traffic Beast software and training models. I will show you when I explain you about the software. And upsell one unlimited version for $67, and you get it for $37. And upsell 2 is 100% done for you, $97, and unlimited traffic for $97, automation $67, ATM $197, ultimate $197, license rights $67. And the main key benefits which are really getting interest in this thing is like it's a free buyer traffic in less than 60 seconds from 800 million affiliate buyers. Same thing, and you can do work from home from starting today itself, and you can earn any in $1,000 per day. And it's a brand new technology for 2021. It active financial freedom. You can quit your job right away and travel, and you can enjoy life, and you can stop failing and financially back through. No monthly fees ever. It's a one-time thing, and if you don't like the product, you have 180-day money back guarantee. So along with this, what kind of bonus they are giving? So when you buy this product, they are giving you free bonus 1,000 daily commission system, which is value of $1,997. Bonus number 2, your first sale in 60 seconds, then $997 worth thing they're giving for free. With a new system, let you make first sale in 60 seconds without a list. You just try it, just buy the product and just try it. Within a 60 seconds you're going to get the product and your commission. And $225 daily instant affiliate link check, which is a value of $497. It activates the same system they used to get multiple commission daily. They're already using it. They're earning $1,000, more than $1,000 every day, and it's for free for you. And bonus number 4, I think 50 lakhs dollar online blueprint, which is worth of $497, $5 million online. They are giving free for you. Other than that, we are not over yet. Along with this bonus, I am going to give you free more bonuses from my side. I am going to give you bonus number 1 from bonus tutorial, bonus access Nova full time. I am a member of Jono Armstrong MOF, so I have access to this and I can give access to you also. So the bonus from my side, the number 1 is access Nova full time, which is worth of $427, totally free for you. Bonus number 2, Traffic Beast. Bonus number 2, 40 HQ lead magnets to build your list, which is worth of $46. Bonus number 3, 5 email marketing tips for higher commissions, which is worth of $344. Bonus number 4, lazy traffic snipper, which gives all traffic to you within seconds along with Traffic Beast. Bonus number 5, special bonus, which is worth of $197. All this bonus I am giving you totally for free if you take the Traffic Beast via my link, which I'm giving below my description after my video. So just take it, try the product. If you don't like the product, within 180 days you can return back the product and all the money will be credited back to your account. Total 180 days money back guarantee is there. I really like the product because nowadays it's very difficult. So let me show you how you can use the product. So this is the website which is for Traffic Beast. So let me sign in. So once you sign in, you will see the dashboard like this. Welcome to Traffic Beast, and you will have a welcome video, everything like get started, support, upgrade, everything, all those things. And what are your membership levels, like Pro, Unlimited, done for you, unlimited traffic, and you can earn 30,000 in 30 days, per day $1,000, and super affiliate license rights, and automation edition, all those things. And if you go to tutorials, so in the tutorials it will give you all kind of tutorials, how can you use them, how can you set up a Traffic Beast. So it will have setup tutorials. So first tutorial will be like overview, and next one will be like how can you set up all your campaigns and how can you complete all your campaigns, that tutorial. And you can get all your affiliate links and by joining the programs, the FS site, commission shortcuts, triple traffic bots. Let me check this first one. So here mine is this one. So I have like all my variable place, all those will open here. So commission shortcuts, triple traffic bots. Next video will be like next tutorial will be on integrations. Like it will show you how to connect to autoresponder via many API connections available. It will be free trial. I want to see this. For autoresponder you will have 30 days free trial. So it will like, and next is like on social media, how can you show this? Like it will help you to share your campaigns to hundreds of social sites in just one click within 60 seconds. And what kind of image, like social images, if you want to create campaigns with images using the app, then that kind of tutorial. And affiliate campaigns. Next, if you want to use upgrades, access upgrades, then this campaign. And upgrade links like 100 CPA daily, 300 CPA every day, 500 CPA daily, commission profit hacks, 6-figure influx, like every day $1,000, and per month $30,000. All those things you can get. Next, conversion boost bonus. bonus builder tutorial, traffic strategies, get the traffic. Next, traffic strategy one, lesson 2, lesson 3, and how can you get free traffic sources, 4 free traffic sources for the affiliate market. Those tutorial, then bonus contents. So every so much. So many tutorials for you to understand about the traffic, how to route the traffic to yourself, all those things, and about the bitcoins also. Everything is there. Next, next the thing is like if you want to create any campaigns, so you don't need to go to any other software, any other vendor to create campaigns for you. If you buy this software, you can create the traffic to your links, and you can create campaigns also for yourself, all those things. Like here the campaign is just a very simple thing. Just you have to create a new here, and you have to give a campaign title, sample campaign something, sample campaign the title, same cp1, and template, what template I want to use. Suppose I want to give template 3, so it will show like this. Get your bonus rate, discover how. This is just a sample, integration options, all those things. And if you want to give my affiliate link, this will be my affiliate link here. I really I'm when explaining this also to you, I'm getting interest actually in this one. It's very easy also. You can see here, and posters, upload the poster, what you can say. It's like commission. If you look at commission gorilla also, it almost do the same thing actually. So social status, profit booster things, all these things are very simple, and it will give in just 60 seconds. If you're struggling there also, the support team is always available 24/7, and they ready to help you. So just look at this commission shortcut, some kind of template already been created. If you view this one, just look at this. So this is this is a kind of thing which you are going to use for campaign, and just when you send this, the people will just subscribe to this video like this. So this is about the tutorial, so campaigns. Then next is the bonus. In the bonus, like I said, you have 100 CPI daily, 300 CPI daily, 500 CPI daily, commission profit hack, 6-figure hack. Let me check this view. You can create all these dailies, everything, bonus things. So you can make you can, when you post it to the social media, digital marketing, the people start getting interest and they start buying it actually. This is a really interesting thing. Next is the social images. This is the social images. You can you can create any social image by creating them, or you can upload them, you can download them, you can edit them. Then you have other things like viral place database, free traffic. So here you can see he has explained about those things, and he mentioned what are the steps for this free traffic, like activate free traffic app 1, register your traffic lab, and then viral news jackers, and more how to get more free traffic, all those things. And he mentioned clearly how can you submit all those steps. You just in easy language they have explained. We just have to follow all the steps blindly. And next they have given few more bonuses, like they have given their access to their product vault, and they have given zero cost business startup guide. Both the bonuses they have given. Then they have mentioned about upgrades. If you want to upgrade to any of these things, like traffic upgrade, unlimited traffic, unlimited 30k in 30 days, bonus builder, license rate, auto profit boost, ATM edition, ultimate edition, millionaire edition. I like millionaire edition obviously, no doubt in that. So all those things. So suppose you got stuck, you're a beginner and you don't know, you are facing issues and you want to resolve them automatically, or you need some kind of help from anyone, you just click on help. Then the customer support will be available all the time. They just respond to you within minutes and all. So just you just write a ticket and all, submit a ticket, or if any ticket is already available, you already raise, you want to look at the status, just click on view existing ticket. So this is the review of the product Traffic Beast. But what I say is I really like the product. frankly speaking, I really like the product because nowadays getting the market towards you is really difficult task. So with this software, I can see you can do that. You can bring the market towards you, and they're just saying that you will get it. So anyway, I suggest you go ahead and buy the product. If you like it, continue. If you don't like it, you have 180 days money guarantee policy. So I suggest you use it for 1 month. If you don't like it, just return it back. The money will be credited back to you. So there is no risk at all. So I suggest it's really worth of it. You please go ahead and please give. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. That's all. Bye bye.